This is one ordinary photo, and this, the same photo turned into a full cinematic scene with a single click. Just using Gemini Omni Flash inside the Artlist app. Today, I'll show you exactly how. Let's dive in. Gemini Omni Flash is Google DeepMind's newest video model. You give it an input, text, an image, or a clip, and it generates or edits full video with sound on command. But here's the part most people missed. It's now live inside Artlist in early access. And Artlist didn't just bolt it on, they built one-click apps. Let's explore. App 1. 20 locations in 10 seconds. This one's my favorite. Just feed it one subject. One click. Same subject, 20 places, 20 outfits. There are no flights, no week-long shoot, and she stays perfectly consistent throughout. App 2. Hyperzoom. Want to see a microscopic realm? Upload a single image, one click. Watch it travel from full scale to microscopic. That's not a crop or a zoom lens. That's the model's real-world knowledge building a whole journey from one still photo. App 3. Multi-angle scene. Want a cinematic shot from your boring static image? Just feed it. One click. One still photo becomes a living scene. It cuts from a wide view to a close-up on the moment, all from the same still. App 4. Add explosion. This is fun. Upload a photo, circle the exact spot you want to blow up. One click. Watch, blockbuster VFX. The model understands the blast is dangerous, so the animal flinches. That's not a sticker, it's fire and smoke that the scene actually reacts to. App 5. Drone cam. No drone, no problem. Just upload one image and draw the path you want to follow. One click, boom. It invents the aerial move for you. Smooth, cinematic, believable. And listen, it even added the drone's sound on its own. The apps are just shortcuts. Underneath is the real engine, Gemini Omni Flash itself. No presets, no limits, you just describe what you want, and it builds it. In the video section, select the Gemini Omni Flash model. Let's explore what it can really do. I uploaded this single image, and my prompt is simple. Make him do a kickflip. Select ratio, length, resolution, hit generate, and watch, it's the same guy. The board actually flips, real physics, same character. You control the whole thing with plain conversation, no timeline, no tools. Now use this clip and the second prompt. Change the camera to a low tracking shot from behind him. Hit generate. Same character, same scene, brand new angle. 2 edits, it remembers the scene and stays consistent. It even understands physics and real-world knowledge. Just give a simple prompt to show how the brain's hippocampus stores memories.
Think of your brain's hippocampus as a master filing clerk, carefully slotting every new memory into its long-term home.
Watch from a single line of text to a full stop-motion explainer. And that voiceover you're hearing? Generated with the video, not added after. One-click apps. A conversational engine underneath. And it's live on Artlist right now in early access. Links in the description if you want to try it yourself. Now go make something insane. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments and smash the like button. Hit subscribe to get more viral updates. See you in the next one.